Hello students. In the previous video, I discussed about the theory of tuple, then empty tuple, tuple with one or more elements, then tuple function with string as argument, length of the tuple, calculation of maximum and minimum value from the data in tuple, then tuple slicing, and also the sorting of data inside tuple. Today I am going to discuss about operators in tuple. These are plus and multiplication. First of all, let's discuss about that and how it works in tuple. Suppose T1 is one tuple, 1, 2, 3, and T2 is second tuple, 3 and 4. So these are the elements. So I am writing print T1 plus T2 and execute it. It is the third program of tuple. Now look at the output. You can add two tuples easily by writing plus sign 1, 2, 3, then 3, 4. This one is the plus operator. Suppose I am writing print 2 multiply T1 and display the data. It means I can display the content twice of T1. If I am writing 4, it means I can display the data 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I am writing 2 star T1 then plus 3 star T2. Check the output here. It means 2 times the first tuple 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3 times the second tuple 3, 4, 3, 4 and 3, 4. In this way you can use plus and multiplication sign inside tuple. Now the second one I am going to discuss in this video is display tuples from a list using for loop. This one is the second content I am going to discuss today. Suppose I am writing data, then inside brackets I am writing two values 101 roll number and name, and the name should be in double quotes like this. Then in second bracket suppose I am writing 102, then Komal, and the third one suppose I am writing 103 double quote, and the name is Harpreet, and then 104 and the name is Poonam, like this. Suppose this one is the data. Now how to display the data using for loop. This one is the list of tuples. This one is the first tuple, then second tuple, then third tuple and fourth tuple. And all the tuples are included inside the list. And we have to display the data for, suppose I am writing roll number, comma, name in data. I have to display this print, then roll number and name. Suppose I have to print this. Let's check the output. Yes, you can display the data. 101 Puja, 102, 103 and 104. You can enter multiple items. Suppose I am entering here 456. Suppose this one is the amount pending. You can't display the data because all the content should be symmetrical like this, and also you have to write here fees, and you can write fees here. Now click here, you can display the data 456 and 123, 1567, 68, 98. In this way you can display tuples from the list using for loop. This one is the second content. Now one more content is pending inside the tuple. Let's make new program for that, and that content is application of zip function. Let's try to execute this one. It is tuple 4.py. This content is also the important content as far as your examination is concerned. Suppose I am writing z1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Suppose these are the values, and z2 second one in double quotes. Suppose I am writing ABC, then z3 inside. Suppose I am writing here alpha, then beta, and suppose I am writing Charlie. Suppose these are the three contents, three zip files, z1, z2 and z3. We have to combine these values. Then what to do? Suppose I am writing z4 is equal to list, then zip. Suppose I am writing z1, z2 and z3, then print z4. Let's execute the program. You can see here the data in zip format: 1a alpha, then 2b beta, and 3c Charlie. All the first contents are there. Suppose I am writing 4 here, unsymmetrical data. Then check the output here: 1a alpha, 2b beta, 3c Charlie. 4 is not there. Suppose I am writing d here, then check here. Again, this content is not there. If I am writing here delta, now check. Now you can see the value 4d delta. Now the content are there. It means you have to write symmetrically the contents: 1a alpha, 2b beta, 3c Charlie and 4d delta. All the contents are there. You can display the contents in this manner. Now suppose I have to display the values z1, z2, z3 and z4 separately. Then what I have to do, I can write here print, then list, write zip here, then star z4. Now what is the meaning of star? Basically it transpose the data. Now look at this content. You can display the contents accordingly. This one is z1, this one is z2 and this one is z3. All the contents you can display directly by writing star. This one is basically unzipping of data. One more thing you can do, if I am writing here for id and then alpha, suppose al, and then third one is detail, suppose writing de n z4. Suppose I am writing like this: id and al, then de in z4 and print. You can print the data as per the previous one, ID, AL and D. Now execute the program. You can see the data here, 1A alpha, 2B beta, 3C Charlie and 4D delta. You can display the contents accordingly. As per the requirement, using for loop, you can display the elements separately. And one more thing you can do, suppose I am writing here Z is equal to inside list. Suppose some contents are there, 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6. Suppose these are the contents. Then print Z. Suppose I am printing this value. You can display the data. Then suppose I am writing here print tuple, then zip, then star Z, like this. It means you can find the transpose of the data. Look at this one. Suppose this one is the first row, this one is the second row, and this one is the third row. And 1, 3, 5 is the first column. Now it's the first row. 1, 3, 5. And 2, 4, 6 is the second column. Now it's the second row. It means you can find a transpose by writing star. It means what are the contents here? Zip, unzip you can do. Then to find transpose of the matrix, like this. You can do these terms. You can also display the contents, whatever the format you would like to display. Also, you can write here use of for loop for display. Use of for loop for display. These are the contents. Hope you are enjoying the content. These are the content, some of the basic contents regarding tuples. Thanks for watching my video.